No matter how big or how small you are as a business owner, we all have one thing in common, and that is dealing with setbacks that occur within our business. And that's why in today's video, I'm talking about dealing with setbacks. I'm actually going to show you a setback that I'm dealing with right now. And if you stick around until the end of the video, I'm going to give you 2 key pieces of information that are going to help you make better and more informed decisions when situations like this occur. Let's go. All right, guys, so here is a setback that we're dealing with at the moment. I was unloading the trailer, getting finished up for the day, when I heard this loud noise underneath the work truck. When I looked underneath it, I seen that my drive shaft had been cut in half by that ruler. Well, you guys that work on cars know that once your drive shaft doesn't work, your truck ain't gonna move. Therefore, it made this work truck not usable. So it took me a couple of days to call around and actually find that part. Of course, it's discontinued. They don't sell it anymore. I called a bunch of salvage yards, and they actually have one in stock in the city, which was a blessing. But even though this work truck isn't able to be used until we get it fixed, luckily, we have another one that we can use. Now, when you're just starting out in your business, it's really important that you have money set back for emergencies like this, because if we didn't have anything set back, I wouldn't be able to fix this, and this truck would not be able to run, and I'd have to depend upon the second truck over there. So it's very, very important that you have a good understanding of 2 important things. Number 1 is having a good understanding of your lead source information. That's one of my favorite things about Quote IQ, is the fact that when I log in to look at my dashboard analytics, I see my lead source information at a glance. That means every lead that comes into my funnel, I can associate that lead with however they found my business. If they came in off of our Google business profile, if they came in off of a business card, LinkedIn, whatever the case may be. And as a business owner, having access to that information is going to help me make more informed decisions to target my marketing efforts, okay? For example, if 4% of my business that's coming in is coming from business cards, then that means I know as a business owner, I could be losing out on a lot more money by not handing out more business cards. And that's why it's important to have a good understanding of how the customers are actually coming to your business. And if you guys are actually interested, we're doing a $500 stencil kit giveaway with same-day stencils if you sign up for a premium, platinum, or ultimate subscription of Quote IQ using the link in the description. And if you sign up for Quote IQ, what it's going to do is actually give you the tools and the information that you're going to need as a business owner to grow faster, because you have to have leads that are coming into your business in order to generate income. The second thing I want to tell you is that it's important that you guys are charging accordingly, because once you have those leads coming into your funnel and you're actually scheduling the jobs, going out and performing the jobs, and then getting paid for the jobs, it's very important that you're not the cheapest guy. A lot of people think that being the cheapest guy offers the best solution, when in reality, all it's doing is keeping you busy, but you're not actually making a profit, because you're working, you're doing jobs, you're getting paid, but you're not making as much as you could be because you're not charging accordingly. And that's actually one of the things that we teach you within the How to Stripe course, is actually how to charge these jobs and to charge them properly. That way you can be sure that you're maximizing profitability and growing at the same time while you're doing these jobs. So if you're interested in learning more about parking lot striping, how to get customers, how to price and charge jobs, be sure to check out the How to Stripe course. It will be the first link in the pinned comment section and the description, because once those leads come in, you charging the right amount of money for your service will help you to make more money. That way, when things like this happen and emergencies take place, you have money set back in your savings account to deal with situations that arise. Because I know what that's like when you deal with an unexpected emergency and you don't have money in your bank account to cover that. That's how it was for me, especially before I started striping. Now, if something like this occurs, we have money in our savings account to accommodate for things like this. So those two important things: where are your leads coming from? Make sure you have a way to track that data. Quote IQ is a perfect tool for you to do that. And then secondly, once they're actually coming into your funnel, how are you charging them? Because being the cheapest guy is gonna keep you busy, but it's not gonna help promote your growth. You're not gonna grow as fast as you could because you're not charging what you should, if that makes sense. Anyways, guys, let me know of a setback that you're dealing with right now within your business. Tell me in the comment section, what setback are you dealing with right now, and how have you taken the initiative to overcome that setback? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out How to Stripe, check out Quote IQ, and we will see you in the next video.